Hello everybody, welcome to our English Breeze FM channel. Let's have a conversation about weather. Hi, how is the weather today?
Hey, it's surprisingly sunny. I thought it would be rainy.
Yeah, the forecast can be unpredictable. I'm loving the sunshine though. What's your favorite weather?
I'm a fan of cool and breezy days. Not too hot, not too cold. How about you?
Same, I enjoy a gentle breeze. Do you have any go-to activities for days like this?
I usually go for a walk or sit in the park. How about you? Any sunny day traditions?
I like having a picnic with friends. Speaking of which, want to plan something this weekend if the weather holds up?
That sounds like a great idea. Count me in. By the way, did you check the weather forecast often?
I do, especially when planning outdoor activities. It helps avoid surprises. What's your preferred source for weather updates?
I use a weather app on my phone. It's convenient and provides hourly forecasts. What about you?
Same here. It's so handy. Have you ever been caught in unexpected weather?
Oh, definitely. One time I went out without checking and it started pouring. I learned my lesson.
Haha, we've all been there. Do you have a favorite season?
I love autumn. The crisp air and falling leaves create a cozy atmosphere. How about you?
Autumn is nice, but I'm a summer person. I enjoy the long days and outdoor activities. What's your ideal temperature?
Around 20 degrees Celsius is perfect for me. Not too hot, not too cold. How about you?
I'm the same. It seems we have similar weather preferences. Anything else on your mind?
Not really. Just looking forward to the weekend plans. Thanks for the weather chat.
Anytime. Looking forward to our picnic. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.